returning subscribers too. My favorite beverage of all time during the fall is some good old hot chocolate. And it is so cold outside and I got my pajamas on, so this would be perfect. And this is so simple and easy to make, delicious, and this would be great to make with your kids, and it would be perfect on a cool fall day. So grab your milk and your pot sugar, because we're about to make some hot chocolate magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. In my large pot, I got the fire over high heat. We're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar, a dash of salt, a fourth of a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a third of a cup of hot water. We're going to give that a quick stir. And all we do is bring this to a boil. Alright my friend, the cocoa mixture has come to a boil, so now we're going to let this cook and stir for 2 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what the cocoa mixture looked like after 2 minutes, nice and smooth. Alright, that looks great. So next, we're going to add in 2 cups of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream, and 2 cups of heavy cream. Going to stir all this together, and all we do is let the half and half and the heavy cream heat through. You don't want to boil. Alright my friends, the hot chocolate is nice and heated through. It smells great in this kitchen. And I removed it off the fire and off the stove. Alright, for our final ingredients, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of cocoa extract. We're going to stir both of those extracts in. Alright, the hot chocolate is ready. So now I'm going to fix me up a glass and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I fixed me up a glass and there's a couple more things we got to add to them. A dollop of whipped cream, some sprinkling of cocoa powder, and some mini chocolate chips. And there you have it, my friends. Homemade hot chocolate. Don't that look good? Alright, I'm about to give this a taste. Alright, here we go, my friends. Oh, this is so warm and comforting. Warms up the soul, bursting with chocolate goodness. This hot chocolate is the bomb.com, my friends. Y'all will enjoy this. Hot chocolate-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Cheers!